Getting ready to line the walls of the mid chambers with a little bit of it. And I'm not stuffing it in there, I'm just lining the walls. Got some second skin contact adhesive. Some of the best stuff I've ever used. Got the test bench jumping off just so I can get a little listen to it. That's of course half of this punch 200 I had laying around. Just a quick little update. Woofers are going to get put in sometime next week, and a lot of people are asking because I've got 3 holes in the bottom of this box. If you didn't follow the playlist where it shows everything step by step, I'll go ahead and tell you that we've got an SMD 18 going in the front, and we've got 2 passive radiators going, 1 on each side. So that's how this is going to work out. So I'm extremely happy with how this is coming out. I can't wait to fire it up. But it's a lot of screws, and it's been a long day of wiring and everything else. I'm ready to take a break. Check back. Sometime next week I should have these things fully operational.